In front of me is VIVO V40 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration options. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to click on Sounds and Vibration. Now scroll again to click on Vibrate for incoming calls and apply the best option for your incoming calls by clicking on it. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. Whatever you decided when you finished, go back. Then click on this switcher next to Vibrate for notifications to enable or disable haptic feedback for incoming notifications. Last but not least, scroll all the way down to click on those three switches next to Charging Sounds and Vibration, Touch Vibration to enable or disable haptic feedback for tap, keyboard and more, and next to Vibrate when the other party answers or hangs up to manage all of those as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!